Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Hotspot is not working in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're using S25 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your hotspot isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to scroll down your control center and just enable and disable your airplane mode or if flight mode. So it will make a quick refresh with all your network settings including your Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, your hotspot. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, click on this hotspot option to enable your hotspot. But if you see this error that can't use mobile hotspot while data server is on, so you just have to simply go to your settings app, go to connections, go to data usage, click on data saver. Here you must see data saver is turned on. You just have to turn it off. Once you have turned it off, just go back and now retry to enable your hotspot. But if you're still seeing this error that you have to turn off your Wi-Fi, so basically in your Samsung phone, you're unable to use your Wi-Fi or use your hotspot when using your Wi-Fi. If you want to use your hotspot, you have to enable your cellular data instead of Wi-Fi. So let's say I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi here. I'm gonna turn on my mobile data. Now you just click on mobile hotspot. It will be enabled. Keep a long press on it to manage its settings here. Now here you must see band. You can also customize your settings from here like your password, your security band. I'm gonna select 5 GHz. It's preferred. And so I have selected that. Now here you have other settings you can change for you. And once you have done, you just have to make sure or if you want to connect with the device or if you want to use your mobile hotspot in another device to connect with, just click on this QR code. You will see a QR code of your hotspot. You can download it, you can share it, or you can easily connect with another device. But if you are still facing the same issue, just scroll down the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart icon again. It will make a restart your phone, and after a restart, it will fix any software glitch or any technical issue with your phone. And after doing this, your issue will be fixed, and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.